Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off keyboard vibration on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, here I'm gonna display my keyboard first, and when I press key here on the keyboard there are a little vibration here guys. And if you want to turn it off, you just have to go to the settings of keyboard here at the icon settings at the top of keyboard, and after here go to the preferences. Now in this preferences page, you just have to scroll it down and we'll see here the haptic feedback on key press. You just have to turn off the button beside it. And yeah, now if we keep press on the keyboard, there are no vibrations anymore, yeah guys. Here I'm gonna try it first, and yeah, only me can feel it, yeah guys. So yeah, if you want to turn off the vibration on the keyboard, you just have to do the same way as before, a tutorial from me. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.